Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from Pectus.com, and I have to make a video because I have to set things straight with you guys because there seems to be some misinterpretation about what I mean when I'm saying fix pectus. Okay, and fix pectus with exercise, titling it in my videos, getting lots of comments of people saying you can't fix pectus with exercise, you're a liar. And then like other comments, like some guy just commented saying, you know, how does it actually pull your chest out? So there's clearly a misinterpretation. I've made multiple videos expressing what I'm saying when I'm saying fix pectus, and it's not making your chest flat. Okay, look, I still have an indent in my chest, okay? I make it less noticeable, but it's still there, okay guys? So it's not making your chest flat. That's not what I've ever meant when I say fixing pectus with exercise. P.S. If you notice the sweat and out of breath, I just did a workout. I typically like to film these videos after a workout because I'm fucking in a good mood, endorphin release, and I feel pumped and motivated, you know? What I wanted to talk about in this video is what I mean by fix pectus and really set the story straight. So it is not making your chest flat. In no way are we miraculously going to alter your bone structure, okay? We're not going to alter, you know, if you have flared ribs, they're going to be flared ribs. Myself personally, I've definitely noticed they don't flare nearly as much, and a lot of my clients have too, but that's not what I'm preaching. What I'm preaching is developing your abs and your core and your obliques to make it look a whole lot less noticeable, okay? And then what I'm preaching is developing your pecs, your inner chest around your indent to make that look a whole lot. And what else I'm saying is, you know, when we fix our posture, most of us have that kyphotic rounded posture, okay? That makes the indent look a whole lot worse. When we open that up, we open up our chest, we get those shoulders pulled back, we develop our back muscles to pull our chest back. That, as well as the anterior pelvic tilt, when we're in this tilted position, it makes our rib flare and pot belly look a whole lot worse. But then when we bring our pelvis into alignment, we develop our core muscles. It makes a massive difference to the way in which the pot belly, the rib flare looks as well. That's what I'm fucking saying with my training with exercise. When I say fix pectus, what I mean is making it so much less noticeable, developing the best body you can, because we all have different cases of pectus, we all have different genetics, developing your best body and being happy in it, being confident in your body because you know you've developed a lean muscular physique, you fixed your posture that's making your pectus look worse, and now you're confident in your body, you're happy to take off your shirt, you're happy to go to the pool, you're happy to go to the beach and take off your shirt. That is liberation. That is when pectus is fixed, in my opinion, because obviously the problem that pectus is creating is it's creating a lack of confidence, a lack of self-worth, okay? And that's what most of us feel, that's what I felt as a kid, that's why I make these videos. For the last 5 years, this is all I've done. And the reason being is pectus fucking killed me as a kid. It destroyed my confidence in myself. I was always so scared to take off my shirt, and that's a horrible thing to be. To have bad body image is such a horrible thing, okay? And people think you're a freak, you know, having these thoughts, you know, it sucks. And so that's why I want to make these channels. That's why I want to help people with pectus, okay? And when you can overcome that, when you can become confident in your skin with pectus because you've built muscle, you've made it look as least noticeable as you can, then that's when it's fixed. Because the problem, which was your lack of confidence, the impact that it has on your mental, your self-esteem, you fix that. Pectus is then fixed then, okay? So that's what I'm always talking about, that side of things. And so don't misinterpret when I say fix as it's making your chest flat, okay? That is not what I'm saying at all, okay? I just really want to set that straight because it's just upsetting me when people saying I'm lying, because I'm not. This is my definition of fixed pectus, okay? Even surgery, guys, even surgery, if you think fixing pectus is making your chest flat, even surgery doesn't necessarily do that to 100%. The amount of clients, literally dozens of clients that I have worked with that have had the NUS procedure, and when they take the bar out, their chest sinks back in. So even surgery isn't foolproof. Even the vacuum bell, you know, you're never really probably going to have a completely flat chest, completely flat. And like, what does that even fix? You know, it gives you a flat chest, but then you've still got bad posture, you've still got the pot belly, the rib flare, you're still skinny, you're still probably lacking confidence in your body. So it's not fixing anything. The only definition that I kind of get, and it's important to make note to, is, you know, we're not addressing any of the health concerns associated with pectus, such as the heart and the lung function, okay? And so obviously we're not fixing that with training. Obviously though, training is going to improve that. It's going to improve your heart and lung function because you get fitter. You know, I've seen a drastic reduction in my resting heart rate since I started training, okay? Like by 10 beats per minute. So my heart has gotten more efficient, which is obviously making me healthier. But at the same time, you know, when it's not like if you have a really severe case of pectus and it's constricting on your heart and your chest, it's not like we're fixing that. We're not pulling out your chest, okay? That is not what my training does. And if you're wanting that, or if you have a health condition, then I would definitely look down the surgical route. But just know, even that's not going to completely fix. Most of the time, surgery doesn't make the chest completely flat once they take the bar out. And also, I'm not anti-surgery either, guys. I just want to say that. I recommend surgery to people with severe cases of pectus. And it's another thing to note on. This video is a total rant, and I'm sorry, but I'm just passionate about this. It's another thing to note is, you know, we all have different cases of pectus, and my training definitely works best for the mild to moderate cases of pectus. That's when you're really going to be able to make your pectus look as least noticeable as possible, because that's when, you know, building the pecs is going to really disguise when you build up around the indent. When you have more severe pectus, you know, it's always going to be pretty noticeable, but you can still make it way better. You can still get confident in your body. I've worked with plenty of clients with severe cases of pectus who have really overcome it and are now happy with their body. Sure, their indent's still there, but it's a lot less noticeable than it ever was. So much so that they're happy in their body. So it's just, so yeah, guys, that's the point I'm trying to make, okay? That is what I'm saying when I'm saying fix pectus. So no, I'm not trying to scam. No, I'm not trying to lie. I'm just trying to help people because I'm passionate about it. And, you know, I know how much it sucks, and I want to help you if you are down about your pectus. So guys, I want positivity on this channel. I want us all to uplift each other and go towards our journey of overcoming our pectus. If you want to get surgery, go for it. I'm not anti-surgery, as I said before. I just want to help people with the methods that have helped me, okay? Feels good to get that off my chest, guys, because it just really upsets me when people, you know, have the wrong interpretation of what I'm trying to do. I'm just here to help you guys. I want to see you guys achieve the results and the transformation I've achieved, because it's liberating. It transformed my entire life building this body, and so, you know, I want to help you guys do that too. So yeah, guys, I put out all this content on my YouTube. I make all these videos, you know, hundreds of videos now for you guys to use and apply, okay? There's so much content. If you go through all my videos, you'll know what to do. But otherwise, you know, obviously sometimes it's a bit overwhelming trying to figure that out. So there is my coaching service, which you can sign up for. I love coaching people with pectus to fix their condition without surgery. I love seeing the results that my clients can get. And so, you know, if any of you have been thinking about it, link is in the description. I would love to coach you to fix yours. Anyway, guys, that is the video. I hope you liked it. I hope it clarified for some of you what I'm talking about when I say fix pectus in my titles and in some of my videos, okay? It definitely helped me get that off my chest. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up to support me. It helps more than you know. And remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And if you're interested in coaching, link is in the description. Peace, guys. Bye.